Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bandsaws is probably one of the most versatile tools in any workshop, capable of making curved cuts, ripping boards, and even resawing lumber. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the ins and outs of bandsaws can significantly enhance your projects. In this video, we'll dive into what makes a great bandsaw. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max Bandsaw, DCS374B. Introducing the DEWALT 20V Max Bandsaw. This is a portable tool designed for deep cuts. It's a powerful addition to any job site. This bandsaw offers a 5-inch cutting capacity. It allows you to tackle a variety of materials with ease. This feature makes the saw incredibly versatile. The integrated hang hook is a convenient feature. It allows you to hang the saw without damaging the front handle or base. This design enhances portability and storage. An LED work light illuminates dark work surfaces. It has a 20-second delay, ensuring accurate cutting even in low-light conditions. This feature increases precision and safety. Changing blades is quick and easy with the toolless blade changing lever. It loosens blade tension for fast blade changes. This saves time and increases efficiency. The variable speed feature provides versatility and control. You can adjust the speed to match the material you're cutting. This ensures optimal performance. The DEWALT built brushless motor provides performance and durability. It ensures a longer tool life and more efficient operation. This motor is built to last. What we like. This bandsaw boasts a 5-inch cutting capacity, perfect for tackling thicker materials. Its integrated hang hook makes it super convenient to store. If you're often working in dimly lit spaces or need to make deep cuts on the go, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The DEWALT DCS374B bandsaw delivers outstanding cutting power with its 5 capacity, perfect for deep cuts. Lightweight, portable, and the integrated hang hooks make storage a breeze. Highly recommend for pros seeking durability and precision. This saw makes cutting metal pipe, brackets ECT. So easy and fast to do, unlike tortuous hack and reciprocating saws. This bandsaw cuts smoothly. Number 4. 3-amp 9-inch bandsaw for woodworking. This bandsaw boasts a 2500 fpm blade speed and a 1720 rpm motor. You'll find that it cuts smoothly and efficiently, eliminating the need to saw back and forth, leaving a clean surface. The blade is 59 to 12 inches long and can cut up to 3 to 12 inches deep and 9 inches wide. It handles different types of wood and even soft metals at 1720 rpm. The cast aluminum table tilts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees with a 120 degrees miter gauge. It also includes a rip fence for straight cuts. This allows it to cut straight lines, curves, and various angles, perfect for woodworking. It features a sturdy steel base to minimize vibration. A 2 to 12-inch dust exhaust port and dust brush keep your workspace clean. For your safety and optimal use, please read the manual carefully before use. Make sure to keep the manual for future reference. What we like. This bandsaw offers a powerful motor and a sharp blade for efficient cutting. It also features an adjustable table for accurate and multi-angle cuts. If you're a woodworker looking for a versatile and precise tool for various projects, this is a great option. What people say. Adjustments didn't take too long, it cuts pretty clean and straight. It was easy to assemble and square up the table with the blade. Not only did the saw cut cleanly, but there was no problem in straight cuts, no wandering, and no variation in the cut. Number 3. SKIL BW9501-00 2.8 amp Benchtop Bandsaw. This bandsaw features a powerful 2.8 amp induction motor. It helps you easily rip through a variety of wood materials. The 2-speed drive system allows for tool-free belt tensioning. This feature makes it easy to adjust the saw for different cutting needs. You can set the blade tension quickly and accurately with this saw. This ensures clean and precise cuts every time you use it. It is equipped with precision ball bearing and lower blade guides. These guides ensure consistent tracking, leading to accurate cutting performance. The rack and pinion table adjustment makes angle adjustments quick and easy. This feature allows for versatile and efficient woodworking. It has a dust port that accepts standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses. This minimizes dust in your work area, keeping it clean. The included miter gauge guides the workpiece when making crosscuts. This ensures accuracy and precision in your cuts. What we like. This bandsaw features a powerful induction motor and a 2-speed drive system for versatile cutting. The quick blade tension setting ensures clean cuts every time. If you prioritize ease of use and need a reliable tool for various woodworking tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. Straight, smooth and accurate cuts right out of the box. Seems they set it up at the factory. Very quiet also, at least compared to my old one. This is basically an upgraded version of the WEN 3959. I bought this saw because it has 2 speeds versus the single speed of the WEN. The addition of the tension release lever is also a nice feature. Once adjusted, the saw cuts well. The first thing I did with mine was to resaw some teak, and the saw barely slowed down even going through a 2:1:2 thickness. Number 2. Jet JWBS 14 SFX 14-inch woodworking bandsaw. This is the Jet JWBS 14 SFX bandsaw. It's designed for precision and power in your woodworking projects. It's a reliable tool for both professionals and hobbyists. The bandsaw features a massive 360 square in cast iron work surface. This provides excellent support for your workpieces, ensuring stability and accuracy during cuts. With a resaw capacity exceeding 13 inches, this bandsaw can handle large pieces of wood. It's perfect for slicing veneers and creating book-matched panels. Built with heavy-duty tubular steel welded construction, this bandsaw is built to last. Its robust design ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use in a workshop. The bandsaw includes dual 4-inch dust ports for maximum dust collection efficiency. This helps keep your workspace clean and improves visibility while you work. It features toolless, independently adjustable, upper and lower ball bearing blade guides. This makes blade adjustments quick and easy, saving you time and effort. The engineered die-cast and steel trunnion system allows for single-point adjustments when moving the table. The oversized lower bearing bolt pattern adds to the strength and rigidity of the machine. What we like. This bandsaw offers a massive work surface and a large resaw capacity, ideal for handling larger pieces of wood. Its dual dust ports ensure maximum dust collection efficiency. If you're a professional woodworker or someone who frequently works with large materials, this saw will be a great addition to your workshop. What people say. The bandsaw has a powerful motor. The blade guard is easy to adjust. The bandsaw has a sturdy table. Number 1. WEN BA3962 10-inch bandsaw with stand. This bandsaw features a robust 3.5 amp motor, allowing it to make cuts up to 6 inches deep and 9 to 3/4 inches wide. It's designed to handle a variety of projects with ease and precision. The saw is compatible with 72-inch blades, ranging from 1/8 to 1/2 inches in size. This versatility ensures that it can be used for a wide range of cutting tasks, from fine detail work to larger projects. It has a spacious 14 to 1/8 x 12 to 1/2 inch cast aluminum work table that bevels up to 45 degrees. This feature allows for angled cuts, providing flexibility for different project requirements. The bandsaw operates at 2 speeds, 1520 or 2620 fpm. This dual-speed functionality allows the user to adjust the cutting speed based on the material and the desired outcome. It comes with a 2-year warranty and includes a work light, a 3-in-1 dust port, a fence, a miter gauge, and a 3/8-inch blade, 6 TPI. These accessories enhance its functionality and user experience. What we like. This bandsaw features a powerful motor and operates at 2 speeds for versatility. Its spacious work table bevels up to 45 degrees. If you're looking for a bandsaw that offers both power and flexibility for a variety of projects, you should consider this. What people say. Even with the supplied 3/8-inch width blade provided, the cuts were right on with no blade flex or wunder. One of the attractions to this model was the resawing height available. Follow the instructions for setup, dial in all the adjustments, and you will have a fine bandsaw. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.